All right, we're gonna try some of these LASFIT LED lights in my daughter's 2017 Hyundai Elantra SE, the base model. These are a 9005 size for the regular low beams, which are on the outside, the ones that you would have on most of the time. So on Hyundais, these plastic caps have to come off. This is your bright light on the inside. This is your low beam. These can really be a pain. I would recommend getting a glove that has some grip on it, because the plastic little notches are not good to like grip without a glove. I already got this one loosened up a little, but you basically turn it like this so that if you were looking this way, you'd be going counterclockwise to loosen. That's how you got to think of this kind of stuff. And it's just a partial turn, and you'll see a little notch for a screwdriver right here, like to pry it out once it's turned. Just like it probably turns about an inch maybe. You just want to keep track of this O-ring. It keeps water and stuff out, I guess is why they do these caps, but they could have made them easier to go on and off. So then once that's over, you can take your glove off. I always recommend using latex, whatever, rubber gloves when you're handling bulbs. So you just, see your bulb right inside here, and you turn it again counterclockwise, just a partial turn. You'll hear it pop. So just barely turn, not even a quarter turn, and it comes out. Got a very short lead on it. So I'm going to push in on this plastic clip to release it. So this is my existing bulb, so I'm going to keep track of that. So I'm going to put it I'm going to get one of my new bulbs. It's got that same kind of clip. So we're just going to plug this in like that. Got this clip up on that side. This has that clip actually on both sides. So I'm thinking this actually could go either way. Probably doesn't matter because they look the same. So now I'm going to be looking to line this up. And since I was turning it this way to come out, I probably want to turn it that way. So I'm going to be looking to turn it in that direction. Okay. So yeah, you just kind of rotate it until you feel it snap in. So. And then the difference in the design, you'll see the bulb that we took out, halogen bulb, was that big. The LED has this built-in fan motor for cooling. So you got to line up where these plastic rings would be. So you can tell that this one is this much bigger sticking back. So that plastic cover most likely won't fit now. The reason I don't think that's probably a problem is, none of my other cars have ever had a cover on a light bulb inside the hood. So, yeah, there's no way that I'm going to get, let's say that, let me see. So we do have room inside this plastic cover. So let me just see. I told you that these things were a pain to get off. Look what someone has done. Look, that's because all they have to grab are these cheap little things. And someone had probably used a tool, and you can't blame them trying to get it off. And so that happened. But basically, all you're doing is you're just rotating it a little ways. So we're gonna see if it'll go back on. Not really gonna go on. And maybe that's better anyway. Actually, now that I think about it, you don't want a fan up against something where it can't get air. So we're gonna just see it. We'll save this cover, of course. Why don't you stand here? I'm gonna start the car and turn the lights on. Okay, so there's your LED white light on the passenger side and your halogen over on this side. Okay, so there's the difference in the daytime. Okay, video might be hard to catch. The one on our right looking at the car, which is the driver's side, is the halogen, and the one on our left, which is the passenger side, is the LED. Okay, so our passenger side on my side is the LED, and the driver's side is the halogen. Yeah, you can tell a lot difference, can't you?
Yeah. You can easily tell that one's a lot further.
Yeah, the one on the left is dim and orange, and this one is bright white and goes farther. Yeah, when we get back, we'll change the other one out.
We'll have to see what both of them look like together.
Okay, so a huge difference. Now both the lights have been changed, and so they're both LED now. You can see a huge difference. Alright, so that concludes this video on changing out the regular halogens for the LASFIT LED lights. And I know it's hard to pick that kind of stuff up on night video and night photographs, but the difference is great between the halogens and the LEDs. So we did one side first so we could compare, then we changed the other side over so they're both LEDs, took it around the block, looking at it, shining on the garage door and the driveway and everything, and they're much brighter this way. So that concludes this video. Thank you for watching.